Good morning, sir. My name is Bhagyalakshmi. I am discussing about how many drugs we are using in our pharmacy. Mainly, we are using 17 types of drugs. First one, anti-diabetic drugs, anti-hypertensive drugs, anti-angina drugs, anti-arrhythmia drugs, coagulants, anticoagulants drugs, anti-diuretics, lipid-lowering drugs, anti-ulcer drugs, anti-anxiety drugs, antidepressants, anti-convulsant or anti-epileptic drugs, anti-psychotic drugs, anti-Parkinson drugs, anti-tuberculosis drugs, and anti-thyroid drugs and antibiotics. First one is anti-diabetic drugs. Increased sugar levels in blood is called diabetics. Diabetics are two types. First one is insulin dependent diabetes mellitus. Second one is non-insulin dependent diabetes mellitus. For example, Amarillo, Dionil, Glimistaru, Gmaru, Glimiprime, Glizid, Glyciphage, Glycomet, Izeril, Izeril-M1, Izeril-M2, GP0.5, Histamet, Janumet, Jarla, Galvasmet, Okamet, Anderomet, Pioz, Prejud, MUIT, Tendia, M4, Triolibu Fort, Volix, Oboz, Jorilu, Valafez, and Jolmet Plus. And next one is I am telling anti-hypertensive drugs. Increased blood volume in arteries is called blood pressure. For example, Amlocand, Amlopress, Agicam beta, beta cap, Silacar, Cardivas, Cardage, Canker, Carbis, Sidmus 50 mg, Sidmus 100 mg, Silacar, and Envas, Mbeta, Enpril, Eritel, Inderalelie, Metexel 25 mg, Metexel 50 mg, Metocard XL, Metfure, Minipress XL, Olmi Just, Olmi Time, Olmi, Olvan Trio 40, Ramistar, Prolomet XL 25, Prolomet XL 50, Prolomet AM, Stamlo Beta, Sartel 20, Sartel Beta, Sartel Trio, Telma, Telmicand Trio, Telmicand AMH, Telvasu, Telista, Tolali AM25, Tricinode, Vimada 50 mg, Vimada 100 mg, ExtanH, and Jorema. And third one, anti-anginal drugs. Suddenly chest pain in heart. For example, Sarbitrate,